In this video, we unveil the shocking price of the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck. If you're a fan of rugged trucks with industrial strength and unmatched performance, then this one is for you. Caterpillar, known for their heavy-duty machinery, has stepped into the pickup truck market with a vehicle that's bound to turn heads. But wait until you see just how much this beast of a truck will set you back. Prepare to be amazed by the surprising price tag. Why is the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck so special? Caterpillar's latest creation is not just any ordinary truck. It's a powerhouse designed to handle tough terrains and heavy-duty tasks. With state-of-the-art technology, impressive durability, and an overall futuristic design, this truck is built for those who need a vehicle that can do it all. But how much do you think this high-performance vehicle will cost? Let's dive in and find out. Is it affordable for the average consumer? When we first heard about the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck, we expected the price to be through the roof. After all, Caterpillar is a brand associated with premium, heavy-duty equipment. But when we got the actual price, we were shocked. It's way more affordable than you might think, especially considering the quality and specs packed into this truck. Get ready to have your expectations shattered. What's included in the price? The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck comes with a variety of features that will make you question how they're able to offer it at such a price. From a rugged exterior built to withstand any job site to a luxurious interior designed for comfort, this truck offers exceptional value. It's equipped with the latest technology, powerful engines, and cutting-edge safety features, all included in the price. You're getting a lot for your money. Who is the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck really for? While it may seem like a truck designed for construction workers or those in heavy industries, the 2025 Caterpillar pickup is also perfect for everyday drivers who want a truck that can handle both city roads and off-road adventures. Whether you're hauling equipment, towing a boat, or just want a reliable vehicle for your daily commute, this truck delivers performance in every aspect. This could be the truck for anyone looking for reliability and strength, no matter what their needs are. How does the price compare to other trucks in the market? When you compare the price of the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck to its competitors in the market, you'll be surprised at how much bang you're getting for your buck. While other trucks in this category can cost much more, Caterpillar offers a similar level of performance with more durability for a lower price. We'll break down the numbers in this video and explain why the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck is an amazing deal in today's truck market. Final thoughts on the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck price and conclusion. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck offers incredible value at a price point that's much lower than you'd expect. With its combination of heavy-duty power, advanced technology, and affordability, it's no wonder this truck is generating so much buzz. If you're in the market for a new pickup, this might just be the truck you've been waiting for. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive trends.